Hi, today I'm for the Oppo A77 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So launch first the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner to log out from Gmail account. In Gmail app, we should first log out from Google accounts on our device. So click first to manage accounts on this device, select your account, tap on the right upper corner to these three dots and click to remove account. Then confirm your action. Are you sure? Tap to OK. Verify that it's you if you use some protect methods on your device. Now we successfully log out from the Google account on our device, so let's go back to Gmail application, and in application we could see also that we just successfully log out from Gmail account. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.